Hello everyone. Welcome to this video series on Java Technologies Lab. So we are going to see program number 8. So the aim of this program is uh, to create a JSP page for requesting any one of the implicit objects. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is an implicit object. So Java server pages or Jakarta server pages has around 9 implicit objects. So first of all, what is an implicit object is, uh, as you already know, in Java, if you want to use any code that belongs to a class, first of all, we need to create an object of that class. So what is an implicit object is, there is no need to create an object for a particular class. They are already created for you, and you can use them directly. So such kind of objects are called as implicit objects. So you are not going to create the objects; they are already created for you, and you can use them directly. Okay. Now, who is going to create these implicit objects is the web container. Okay. So remember this point. So what are the implicit objects available in JSP are these things. So we have objects out, request, response, config, application, session, page context, page, and exception. Okay, so in this program, I am going to use this implicit object called out. Okay, so this out implicit object belongs to the class JSP writer. Okay, like that every object belongs to some particular class or interface. Okay, so as I already told you, we are going to use this out object. So generally, where is this out object is used is, generally we are going to use this out object for printing some text on a JSP page. Okay, so you can see here. So this out object is used to write data to the buffer. Okay, and the object we will use is out. Okay, as I have shown you in the previous slide, this out object belongs to the class JSP writer. So how do you use this implicit object out is like this. Okay, so if you see here, you are seeing a particular kind of tag, right? So you have less than symbol followed by percentage sign. So this kind of tag is called as scriptlet. Okay, so this is called as scriptlet. Mm, so this is called as script scriptlet tags. LET. Okay, so whenever you are using these kind of tags in a JSP page, these things are called as scriptlet tags. Okay, right. Mm. So the actual program is very simple. What we are going to do is we are going to create a single page, JSP page called index.jsp, and within that page we are going to display some message like this using the out object. Okay, so that's it for the theory for the of this program. Now let's see the actual code. Okay, let me close these tabs. And the project I have created for this program is JSP Implicit. Okay, JSP Implicit. So let me open the JSP file. So here is the file. So I have already shown you how to create a JSP file. So let me show it again. Right click the project, click on new, and select JSP file. Okay, so here you are going to give the name of the file. So the name of the file I have given is index.jsp. So open this, and the code and the theoretical concepts have these things will be available in the video description, so you can check it out there. So the code is very simple, right? So you have HTML tags, and in between the HTML tags you have this scriptlet tag. Okay, so let me write it here. uh, okay, so this is HTML, right? So in HTML the comment looks like this. So this is a HTML comment. Okay, and what kind of tag is this? Scriptlet tags. Okay, now in between the scriptlet tags, you can write any Java code, right? So this is the Java code. So we are using the implicit object out. Out is the implicit object that we are using. So on this object there is a method called print. Okay, out dot print whatever message you want to print, that we are writing here. So I am just going to print printed using the out implicit object. So let's run this file, save, finish. Okay, so here is the output, printed using the out implicit object. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood how you can use the implicit objects within the JSP. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.